here is JD2 Notch Master Biome. Pretty excited. This thing's stout. This thing's solid. So, should we try to just go off of the picture? I think so. So it looks like there's little indents in here for your degrees. I'm just going to go ahead and line it up like the picture shows. Depends on what I'm putting together, but sometimes I'll just look at the picture and how they have it assembled, since they have actually a really nice picture of the layout. I just go off of that. This one I'm going to leave loose because it's the degree wheel anyways. I don't think it needs to necessarily be torqued right now. Then we're going to put the shaft on. There's almost no play in this shaft here, riding on the needle bearings. Then also too, if you notice, there's little indentations right here for your depth, depending on the size of your pipe. Oh, I think I put something on a little too early here. Yep. You're not able to get this part to slide out. Perfect. And then they actually machine this side so it'll stop, so you can't actually go out that side. Now the other part that's pretty cool about this thing is the videos that I was watching on it, they have these two holes for mounting, so you can permanently mount it to something, or they left it open like this so you can actually get a C-clamp in here, which I thought was pretty cool. Because for my application, I'm in such a tight spot that I usually have all my different tools and jigs that slide into my table, so this is right up my alley. This thing is stout. This thing's probably 25 pounds. Just solid steel. Next video, we'll be doing a little demo on it, see how it goes.